Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just want to do a quick review on my AAA 48 Powermax Ultra Alkaline batteries. So I just recently purchased this. Here are the batteries. It came with 48. One pack is missing because I am already using it. I love to buy in bulk because it's a lot cheaper. And it's just always good to have these batteries on hand, especially like Christmas is coming. May need these for the kids, for their gifts. What I love about this also is that it is a 10-year shelf life. So far, as I use these batteries, I haven't had any problems. They're comparable to like the alkaline batteries. They're definitely a lot cheaper when you buy in bulk. One 4-pack at Walmart would cost you, like for a generic brand, it's like $7. And a lot of times these are very equivalent to your name brand batteries. And also the alkaline batteries, they typically last longer than your zinc carbon counterparts. So I just wanted to do a quick review. I am satisfied with this. Like I said, they're AAA, very cost effective. You can use them in so many different things, and it's a great deal. So check it out if you need batteries, and thanks for watching.